Parker Evans' first podium here. You're satisfied of your first podium here?
Oh yeah, it's excellent. We love coming up here and racing. It's the best fans, the best racetracks. I wish we got one more spot there. I tried right before the caution and unfortunately just fell at the wrong time, but that was a heck of a race and that's an awesome racetrack. We come up here every week if we could.
Were you disappointed of the single file?
Yeah, I was a little bit, but I knew if we were a single file, Jason was going to be behind me and he wasn't going to be able to get a run on me, so it kind of played in my favor and it kind of hurt me at the same time. Just one of those deals. After we junked the car Tuesday night, so we scrambled and got this one back together, and it's just good to be here and get a good show for these guys.
Are you satisfied of your whole season?
It's been a good season. We've made every race, which is always goal number one. We haven't sat out a race, or we had to run some B mains, so we're in the top 10 in points, and we've bit ourselves in the butt a couple times here, so we finally got our stuff in order, and it's finally paying off for us. So,
wish you good luck for tomorrow at RPM Speedway.
Thank you very much. Appreciate it.
En entrevue avec Parker Evans, je lui ai dit « Tu es satisfait de ton premier podium à l'Autodrome Granby? » Il a dit vraiment satisfait. Il avait la voiture pour. J'ai dit « Est-ce que tu es déçu du fait que tu sois parti en file indienne pour la dernière relance? » Il m'a dit « Non, parce que je savais que Jason Barney aurait pu m'avoir sur la relance. » Donc, il était en accord avec ce que Jason nous disait précédemment en entrevue. Et il a dit qu'il était très satisfait de sa saison puisque jusqu'à maintenant, il a participé à tous les départs. Donc, une saison de rêve pour lui et je lui ai souhaité la meilleure des chances pour demain à Saint-Marcel.